Industrial data should not be trapped in legacy, clunky HMI interfaces. They are static, crude, and difficult to navigate. Engineers should not be drowning in tedious development cycles, designing tables, writing scripts, and manual tag binding. These repetitive tasks are draining their best talent. Worse yet, visible data, disjointed bussiness. Different roles stare at the same screen, yet fail to find the specific business answers they need. It's time to end this inefficiency state for good. AI SCADA, the zero-barrier industrial data platform. Now, all you need to do is state your objective. One single prompt generates professional HMIs, BI dashboards, and 3D digital twins. From tag binding to 3D visualization, from logic to analytics, it's seamless. Months of engineering work, now accomplished with just one prompt. One dataset, infinite perspectives. AI SCADA empowers every role with a personalized lens. Different roles in maintenance, production, process, and quality focus on different issues. AI SCADA supports the generation of distinct BI dashboards based on each role's specific objectives. AI creates creative professional solutions, even when you don't know what you need. Production department focuses on efficiency. Where are the bottlenecks? What is the plan attainment rate? Maintenance department focuses on equipment health. Why did the alarm trigger? When is the next maintenance scheduled? Process department focuses on fluctuations. How do parameters impact the yield rate? Quality department cares about root causes of defects, batch traceability, process parameters, and quality trends. AI SCADA supports the role-based generation of BI reports, allowing everyone to drive industrial data with zero barriers, just like using Excel. What underpins all this are millisecond-level acquisition, support for over 200 protocols, and an integrated edge data processing infrastructure covering data cleansing, storage, and more. Based on the UNS architecture, AI SCADA empowers enterprises to establish a unified industrial semantic model. It standardizes data semantics for all production elements and underpins the deployment of AI agents, industrial large models, digital twins, and autonomous decision systems. AI SCADA is far beyond tool iteration. It transforms industrial productivity. AI SCADA, usher in your era of industrial AI.